When converting between compound units, you want to decide what's the smallest unit of measurement that they are discussing. So here's what I mean. A cyclist rides her bike at a speed of 27 kilometers per hour. What is the speed in kilometers per minute? So the smallest unit of measurement there is a minute. They're both talking about kilometers. So kilometers per minute is how I'm going to set this up. I'm going to use a proportion. Okay, 27 kilometers per hour. So 27, if you're talking about an hour and minutes, there are 60 minutes in an hour. Okay, then the next sentence, what's the speed in kilometers per minute? Okay, so we don't know the kilometers for the second fraction, but we do know it's going to be 1 minute. So now I look at the numbers that are diagonally across from each other that I know what they are, and I multiply those, and then I divide by the number that's not circled. So 27 times 1 divided by 60 is 0.45. Okay, so that's the answer, my first answer, 45 kilometers per minute. Now they say, how many kilometers will the cyclist travel in 10 minutes? So just take your 0.45 and multiply it by 10, and I get 4.5 kilometers is how far they will travel in 10 minutes. Okay, so find the smallest unit of measurement first. We're talking about hours and minutes. Again, minutes is smaller, so I'm doing miles this time. Miles, and then the smallest unit of measurement is minutes. Set up my proportion, 39 miles per hour, so that's 39 miles in 60 minutes, because there's 60 minutes in an hour. What's the car's rate in miles? We don't know the miles. Per minute, 1 minute. So I'm going to do 39 times 1 divided by 60. And I'm going to get 0.65 miles per minute. That's the car's rate. How many miles will the car travel in 5 minutes? So just multiply by 5. And when you do that, you get 3.25 miles. As Mars revolves around the sun, it travels at a speed of approximately 15 miles per second. Convert this speed to miles per minute. Okay, the smallest unit of measurement there is a second. So I'm going to do miles. Both of them are talking about miles. And I'm going to do second. Okay. So 15 miles per second. So that's 15 miles in 1 second. Convert this speed to miles, we don't know, per minute. Well, there are 60 seconds in a minute. So I'm going to do 15 times 60 divided by 1, which is basically just 15 times 60. I get 900 miles per minute. At this speed, how many miles will Mars travel in 5 minutes? So 900 for 5 minutes is 4,500 miles.